Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. Hopefully, this is the last crummy weather day that we have. It is currently 53 and cloudy, but it is supposed to start getting nicer from here on out. We've got franchise. I almost said dark, bro. We got the franchise first in the chat. F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat. Franchisee. We got Kombu D's, Dark Bro Kombu, the franchise Kombu, Dark Bro D's. All of you guys, thank you very much for being in here. Let's check the market out, see what we got going on today. That's not the market. That's the market. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $5.87 today. Shiba Inu coin, $9.92 right now, down 1.98%. GameStop down at the bottom right, sitting at 1913, up slightly but down over the last couple of minutes here. Bitcoin sitting at $28,840 right now, down 0.68% on the day, throwing three purple lines together in a row. The Nasdaq getting blasdacked once again, man. Puts paying off in the Nasdaq. Nasdaq hating old Jerome Powell right there. Way too strong of a level of resistance to break through. 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts. We are most likely going to be coming back down here to 11.5 on the Nasdaq now. I'm telling you, man, if you can't break it in 4 attempts, it's time for a cool off and a reattempt later on. So definitely looks like we're going to be coming back down before we go back up again. GameStop sitting at 1914. AMC 587. We've got indubitably. Thank you very much for the super chat. We say, ha! 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 Indubitably. Thank you very much for that super chat. I don't get that one too often, so really appreciate that, man. Indubitably. I love the name as well, dude. Thank you very much. Let's go here and look at Ethereum. Ethereum throwing some purple lines on the screen right now. 1882 coming down from 1886. Shiba Inu coin, 991. We might be seeing a little sell-off, guys. Purple lines on Dogecoin sitting at 7.8 cents. Bitcoin coming on down. 4 lines in a row. We've got Mullen Auto. Watch out on Mullen Auto, dude. People are not liking this reverse split that took place. Stair-stepping it down, man. Mullen Auto sitting at $1.30 right now, touching $1.26. Dude, if Mullen Auto can't stay above $1 for 10 days, they are going to be in very bad shape. You know, they thought this reverse split would save the day. And, yeah, think again. Brought it up to $2.09. You'd think that you're pretty safe at $2.09. Right, you're pretty safely above $1 at $2.09. Well, that was this morning. Right now, we're testing $1.26. Almost a 50% decline in a couple hours. So, dude, they've got until not next week, but the following week. And if they can't maintain $1, it is going to be bad news for them. Like, look at the long term on Mullen Auto here. $400. Down to $1.26. Mullen Auto in tough shape, and they are just plagued with loss, man. They're just plagued with loss. It's insane to see how bad Mullen Auto loses day after day after day, man. Sundial sitting at $1.60 right now, up 2.56%. A CEI. Might be taken off the watch list here pretty soon. CEI sitting at $1.24. The SPY 404. BBIG 16.79 cents. Highcraft Mining 41.5 cents. Netflix $318. QQQ $316. Ape sitting at $1.54 and MPW at $8.29 right now. Oh man, tough action. Dark Bro, thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the banana. Dark Bro says, Clay, how do you lick it and stick it? I forget. Well, you take the banana, you peel the banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. You gotta maintain eye contact the entire time. Thank you very much, Dark Bro, for the lick and stick technique. Indubitably, you are the man, dude, not me. I really think LUNC is done. All the wrong people working on it. Yeah, Paul, man, I do agree with you to a certain extent. So I do believe all of the wrong people are working on Terra Luna Classic. I agree with that part. If it continues, I just want to expand your statement a little bit. If nothing changes, Terra Luna Classic could be done. if nothing changes, it could be done, because yes, I believe all of the wrong people are working on Terra Luna Classic. When you only, and I know you guys do it at work too, because I did it. When you only show up for a paycheck, should you even be there anymore? And the answer is most likely no. So if you're only showing up for a paycheck, there are better things in life. I'm telling you that right now. Nick F, good morning to you, Nick F. How you doing? Missing Link, hello to you. Glad you guys are all out here this morning. Really appreciate it. We got only 15 people in here right now. Seems a little slow on the day so far. And we've got PIKAPOWERISFIRST in the chat. Pika baby. Yes, I see you over there, Pika. Thank you very much for joining the Twitch stream. And oh, if you guys want, if somebody wants to share the Twitch stream, I'll tag it at the top of the screen so you guys can follow the Twitch account as well. But really appreciate all you guys for being in here right now. Jada says, I think LUNC has many projects to be positive. Parody, Repeg, AI, Ed. No, Jada, I agree, dude, right? But here's the thing. Out of those, I like Ed the best. All right, what is Twitch? Twitch is another streaming platform, Nick. Just doing some multi-streams right now. Pika Power, loving it, Pika. You got that. I got to come out here and pin that to the top of the screen. Where we at? Nick, do you really not know what Twitch is, man? Trying multi-streaming. We're not getting any new viewers. We got Pika over on Twitch. So that's about it right now. We're not getting any new viewers because of Twitch just yet, but we could. Clay, you still love Shib. Clay, bro, I so do. Yeah, indubitably. I do, but I don't really love the developers for Shiba. I really appreciate the Shiba community, man. And these people are just relentlessly strong. So there is a difference. Like, I don't care at all for the developers of Shiba Inu, the developers of the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem, right? Whoever developed Shiba Inu coin is a made-up story. So, not the developers, but definitely the community. Pepe Mooning. Peaky here. No, but yes, dude, I'm telling you right now, Pepe could be mooning. $700 million market caps being reached on Pepe this morning. We're going to look at that in 2 seconds here. Join Twitch. It's like 10 seconds faster. Dang, man. Look at Twitch rolling out there. Hello, everyone. What's going on, old rounder, bro? How are you? Glad to have you in here. Pepe is what we are looking at right here. Pepe. Gotta look at Pepe. Where is Pepe? All right. Pepe, guys, sitting at 1689 at the moment. Would you please look at this market cap? $710 million market cap on Pepe. Look at the daily graph doubling in price from 9,600 all the way up to 1639. It is ridiculous. Did anybody order a burnt zero? Because we've got a burnt zero. And here's what I like. Look at this $400 million in volume. People love to trade what is running. It is insane. Dude, if we keep this up by the end of the weekend, we are going to be at $1 billion market cap. If we keep this up for another couple days, and we just double in price from here, Kenneth, if he did not get out yet, will have made $1 million on Pepe. Think about that, man. Think about that. That is insane. Bro, I really wish I could have got into Pepe. It's nuts, Stark, bro. It's nuts. 7x. Since, look, I'll admit, right? I didn't see it on Dex Tools. So I wouldn't have made $1 million on it or anything. But the first time I started talking about it, $100 million market cap, right? Above and below, 90 to 110, 90 to 110. 7 extra money. Almost 8 extra money to where we're at right now. That is not bad at all in a coin is crazy and as volatile as Pepe is. Pika, you're always 10 seconds faster. Boom! Pika somehow lives in the future. Wouldn't that suck to just live like 10 seconds in the future? I mean, it would be weird. What could you really do aside from having like a 10-second future view? I don't know. Which, I mean, I guess you could save some catastrophes from happening, but like 10 seconds, dude, I don't know about that. That'd be a wild superpower to have. I could see 10 seconds into the future, but only my future. I don't know what everybody else is going to be doing. It's just like 10 seconds into my future. That's very strange. Feel weird. I don't know why I thought it. Oh, because Kombu says she's always 10 seconds faster. Yeah, it's crazy. Clay, does your auction app still work? Starts to load, then just goes white screen on me. Yes. Yes, it does. I don't know, dude. Shut your phone off, turn it back on or something. It's happened to me before, but it happened to Nick more often. Pepe to poo-poo. No, Pepe to the moon. Let's see. Roulette wheel. We are definitely going to the moon, not to the poo-poo. Too late to get into Pepe. Indubitably. Let's look at that, man, because I know a lot of people are going to start asking. It's pretty great for rock, paper, scissors. Yes. You would be a guaranteed winner in rock, paper, scissors. That would be amazing. Pika, you finally thought of something that 10-second futuristic would work for. Rock, paper, scissors would definitely work. Let's see here. Is it too late to get into Pepe? The short answer is no. It's not too late to get into Pepe, okay? If you know that you're chasing the gains and you know that you're chasing the hype, here's the risk that you run, and that's the simple fact that people are not necessarily committed to Pepe yet. Pepe is still a meme coin FOMO runner. Pepe's got the people out there that are looking to make some quick money, and they are absolutely making some quick money. Here's the thing that you may end up seeing, though. No community. Nobody willing to long-term hold. And if that's the case, it is going to sell off very fast. With a $700 million market cap, though, it's still got room for plenty of gains. Everybody in Shiba Inu coin, everybody in Dogecoin, you know, they all want to tell you that right now, they're going to tell you, well, we're here for the long-term investment. Shiba Inu coin is going to revolutionize the world. Satoshi is our hero. He's straight from heaven, and he is going to be our salvation. He is going to revolutionize decentralized finance by being a central authority. It's very strange. Everybody's focused on the long-term development, and it's not a meme, it's a movement. And it certainly started off as a meme, okay? Shiba Inu coin somehow created a wild cult-like community following that has allowed it to maintain levels and maintain price action with the overall crypto market. If Pepe does the same, we could still run from a $700 million market cap to a $7 billion market cap to reach the levels of Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin, which would give you a 10x increase on your money. A $70 billion market cap. I'm not going to say that that's going to be achievable, okay? It could be if we end up with 1 million holders, very similar to Shiba Inu coin. If the wallets jump to 1 million, yes, Pepe sure could jump to a 50, 60, 70 billion dollar valuation. Sorry. And I only say that because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin reach those levels. I know what memes are capable of. And if it turns into some sort of a worldwide movement like Shiba Inu coin did, it's definitely not too late to 5x, 10x, 20x, maybe even 100x your money in Pepe. But at these levels, you know, you've got to find new money to flow into it. And if you don't find new money to flow into it, the game is over. But all these people are making Ethereum unavailable for general people with these gas prices. Yeah, dude, and you know, that's just the thing, though. Is it their problem that they're out there trying to buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell and trade Pepe? Look, I don't know the solution. I do think that Ethereum is extremely expensive and extremely congested right now. I don't know how to take Ethereum to the next level, or if Ethereum could do some sort of a chain upgrade to take themselves to the next level and basically layer 2 themselves, or what needs to take place. Because yeah, gas fees are insane, but dude, when there's money to be made, you know, okay, I'll pay $100 fee if I know I'm gonna make $1,000. I'll pay $1,000 fee if I know I'm gonna make 10,000. Like, you understand? Like, people are definitely willing to pay it right now because they are making money on it. So I can't fault them for using it, and I can't necessarily fault the higher fees because people are willing to pay them at the moment. Hey bro, what are we thinking about PooCoin? Dude, let's see where PooCoin's at. I was wondering about that because it was trending on Dex Tools yesterday. Let's see. Does Pepe have enough existing meme power to keep the momentum? Indubitably. I don't know what Pepe... So Pepe is apparently some cartoon, right? And I'll say this. What kind of meme power did Shiba Inu coin have? You know what I mean? Like, what kind of meme power did Shiba have? The power that it had, in my opinion, is the fact that it literally ran from nothing like Pepe did to $1 billion valuation and made millionaires overnight. That's where Shiba's power source came from. So I don't know if it's necessarily just the meme aspect of it. It's the fact that it's doing what people want it to do. And they see that and they believe it. Let me answer this indubitably, and this is going to be more of a self-reflective kind of a question, or one of those confirmation biases. The fact that you're still wondering, the fact that you're sitting there, and I know you believe because you asked, that it is still worth getting into, everybody else is sitting there thinking the same thing. And if they talk themselves out of it, no, it might not be worth it. If they convince themselves that it is worth it, dude, Pepe continues to move higher. It's just as simple as that. If people believe in it and they want to take it to the next level, it will go to the next level. If they get scared, it's going to fall fast. The Pepe hype reminds me of the Saitama hype last year. Oh, God. Saitama. Yeah, and here's the thing, though. I don't know if Pepe actually plans on doing anything. I really don't. I don't know if they plan on just being a true meme coin, or if Pepe plans on, creating wallets and creating and building layer 2s and all the stuff that Shiba Inu coin did. I don't know if they plan on any of that, or if they just plan on existing. If we create a bro coin, I'm telling you, it would be easier just to plan on existing. You don't even have to worry about the SEC breathing down your neck if you just plan on existing. The Ethereum fees do suck big time, Tony. I got to get on the road. I'll be back in 30, indubitably. Perfect, man. Thank you very much for being in here for a minute, and we will still be here in 30 for a brief time. I lost 16,000 on Saitama. Saitama, no, not a good one. Pepe, hashtag feels good, man. Elijah Van Wormer, very nice. No more crap coin. No more crap. And you know what, roulette wheel? That's completely fine, man. That's completely fine. You will reach that point, I think, when you're done taking risks like that and done with the chances of losing. You got to go for something more stable at that point. And there is no harm in going for something more stable, more conservative, and taking that long-term approach instead of, I want to wake up tomorrow and I want to wake up with $1 million tomorrow. Because what does your mother always tell you? Easy come, easy go, right? And if you wake up with $1 million tomorrow, guess what you could do? Lose $1 million the next day. Easy come, easy go, guys. If it's long and steady, if you work for it, if it takes time, if you've got that solid growth approach, well, it's not that easy come. So shouldn't be that easy go. Easy come, easy go. I like it. See it, indubitably. Heck yeah. Shiba Inu was a Doge derivative labeled as the Doge killer, right? Yeah, Elijah. So I know that here's my perception of what took place, right? And I don't know. I was not aware of Shiba Inu coin in August of 2022, or August of 2020, sorry, when it first came out. So I don't know what the original marketing was or what the original idea behind it was. But yes, Dogecoin towards the end of 2020 started to make some moves, okay? Shiba Inu coin was born, clearly trying to take advantage of the Doge hype. When Dogecoin at the beginning of 2021 began to break a penny, and then from a penny, it began to rocket up to 5-6 cents. That was a big move, man. That was a huge move in like March of 2021. Dogecoin going from a penny to 5-6 cents. And that kind of craze set off the Shiba Inu coin craze. People began to see it as, well, shoot, man, Dogecoin did it. Maybe this other stupid dog coin can do it. Let's go buy this dog coin. It's worthless right now. Maybe we'll shoot it up in value. And they did. So then the marketing team comes around. Then you got guys like Satoshi trying to latch themselves on to Shiba Inu coin. Then the Shiba Inu coin Twitters are born, and this sort of following takes place when Shiba Inu coin begins to rise up in price. So yes, it was taking advantage of the Doge hype. Here's what I do think can take place. There will be other coins that try to take advantage of this Pepe hype, all right? And they will run. Because the same way that people thought that they missed out on Doge and they wanted to buy Shiba, they will know that they missed out on Pepe and they will want to buy an alternative. So definitely keep the alternatives in mind. Maybe they don't million X, but hey, 100X could turn into a lot of money. Let's see. It's not too late to get into Papa, Pepe's daddy, EM. You are right, man. Papa's still sitting on about a $2 million market cap down there. Papa, Pepe's daddy, could be a mover. $38 and $42 in gas fees for 2 transactions at 6:30 a.m. this morning. Tony D, man. And you don't have to share if you don't want to, but if you do want to share so we can get an idea of what percentage that is, what was the overall amount on those? And please don't share if you don't want to, man. We never have to talk about how much you're out there spending. But if you want to, so people have an idea of how much of a fee, like what percentage-wise fee you're paying to get into these coins. Because, you know, if it's $100, dude, and you're paying a $42 fee to buy, you're going to be paying a $42 fee to sell. You got to double your money to basically break even. I just better buy a lottery. Hey, you know what? Roulette wheel. The lottery works too, right? You can still make money in the lottery. It's not easy to win the lottery, and it's certainly not easy to hold a meme coin from $0 to $1 million. Either one, you got about the same chances. What's the latest news on Shiba Inu? ZX Power. We'll talk about that in 2 seconds after I say, yes, franchise was first in the chat today, Patrick. Latest news on Shiba Inu. A couple different things, right? They are... Satoshi doesn't plan on giving us any updates about the Shibarium, I guess, audits and Shibarium testing that's taking place. Sad, but unfortunately not a surprise to me. Let's see what else we've got. We've got Shiba Inu coin, the #1 meme coin on CoinGecko here in the United States, and the #1 meme coin in India as well. So Shiba Inu coin popular across the board. CoinGecko statistics showing that it is the #1 coin. 60.8% of all meme searches were for Shiba Inu coin here in the United States, and that actually includes Pepe numbers. So since the beginning of this year, right, Pepe's been soaring and it's increasing fast in search volume, but Shiba Inu coin still continues to win in that aspect. People anticipating Shibarium's release. Some people are starting to say 3rd or 4th quarter now, and throwing Satoshi's 2 to 4 months out the window. Lucy, Lucy, the one that's always trending on Twitter about Shiba Inu coin, she's starting to think, or starting to prep us. I would say that Shiba Inu coin's not going to see the Shibarium release until 4th quarter. That does not coincide with Satoshi's timeline, but nonetheless, Satoshi is most likely not going to be telling us anything else from here. So that's the latest in Shiba Inu coin news that I got there. Hey, are you able to trade Bitcoin perpetuals derivatives on KuCoin without KYC? I need to move funds off of Bybit. So, old rounder, I think that you need, in order to leverage, I think you need to KYC, man. I think you need to KYC in order to trade on leverage. Now, depending on the level in which you go, right? So, you can 5x leverage trade on KuCoin without like giving social security information and attaching bank accounts and stuff like that. You need to go like stage 2 of the KYC or whatever it is if you want to go up to, I believe, 100x leverage. Which, dude, I wouldn't. 5x, okay, if you really believe in yourself. But, dude, 100x leverage is nuts. If you don't time the trade perfect, you're out. So, I don't know what kind of leverage you're looking for. But, yes, you can still short in that stuff. And you don't have to use 5x leverage. You can just trade futures with, longing and shorting. But you do need some sort of a KYC. Patrick, thank you very much for the Streamlabs Super Chat. Patrick says, franchise is first, baby. No more Bud Light references. 9,901, almost to the point of resistance. It's so good when Pat comes in like 30 minutes into the stream and gives me a little authorized hydration. Because when you talk this much, man, you need the authorized hydration. Patrick, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it, man. And the authorized hydration was definitely much needed right there. Guys, Pepe is rolling, all right? All-time high, $710 million market cap. Some of these other bad boys out there. Let's look at Papa. I believe Papa was down over the last couple of days. And it's going back up a little bit. Papa's still sitting at a $2.3 million, almost $2.4 million market cap. Papa's sitting up 10% on the day today. And it has been volatile, doubling in price just in the last couple of hours. So Papa's showing some heavy volatility, and when people see this volatility, they're going to be coming a looking. Another one, guys. Put them on your radar. They're not necessarily, I guess, 1,000x material at this point, but nonetheless, they could do very well. Wojak, $60 million market cap. My gosh, man. This bad boy just keeps rolling higher. Look at this weekly graph. 10xing on this weekly graph right here. My goodness. Bob is another one. Bob sitting here, 23% gains on the day, $41 million market cap. Where are we going? 50% gains just over the last couple of hours there, from 4,000 points per coin up to 6,000. Let's see, Bobo. I think it's Bobo. Yeah, Bobo. We got Bobo sitting here. It is down slightly on the day to a $7 million market cap, 7.73% lower, and was testing some lower levels here. It doubled in price over the last couple of hours. So Bobo, extremely volatile as well, guys. We've got a lot of memes that are showing a lot of increased volatility. The good news is people are making money. Some people are losing money, but some people are making money. If any non-Mandalorians are confused about what month it is, that we're in, this is the May. May the 4th be with you. Yes. May the 4th be with you, ladies and gentlemen. I am not a Star Wars guy, right? I can't even remember the last Star Wars that I saw. I do have to ask a question, though. I get it that you've got guys that are, like, Lego nerds, and you've got Star Wars nerds. When you combine the two, it is obscene. I saw a Star Wars, and it might just be because it's May the 4th or whatever. I saw a Star Wars, I don't know, a little triangle looking ship. Lego set. $1,249 they want for that thing. Somebody justify $1,249 for a little triangle Star Wars ship. Lego set. I need somebody to justify that for me. I could not believe it. Everything I'm holding isn't risky enough to cover. Pika! That's the crazy thing. You know, we should be focused. We should honestly be focused on the slow and steady. We should be focused on how to generate wealth over time and how to actually make money instead of how to risk your money. But for some reason, okay, people, they don't, it's almost like they don't want to hear that. That's the craziest part to me. They don't want to hear it. And I do feel like it needs covered more, Pika. Pocket Pancake! Thank you very much for the super chat. Pocket Pancake, really appreciate it. And the fact that you went through Streamlabs is a double bonus. If you're feeling down, turn your frown upside down. Put a smile on your face, take the world in your embrace. Ask for a little help from the man up above. And remember, you have your best friend's love. Dude, I don't even know if that's a song, but it's a beautiful poem at the least. And I like that a lot. Thank you very much, Pocket Pancake. Whoever Pocket Pancake is. I don't know if this is Pocket Burrito's friend, Pocket Pancake. But Pocket Pancake, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for going through Streamlabs. And thank you very much for the beautiful, kind words, man, that really do make sense. If you're feeling down, turn that frown upside down. Put a smile on your face. Take the world in your embrace. Ask for a little help from the man up above. And remember, you have your best friend's love. And you really do have the love of all the bros, guys. You know, it is kind of, it sounds dumb, right? It sounds cliche. There's 40 people in here right now. These are your bros, dude. These are your bros. Like, you know, big brothers that are out there looking out for you and will encourage you when you need encouraged. So yes, if you're feeling like you need some love, man, come hang out with the bros. Thanks, I've been using just 3.5x. Old rounder, gotcha. 3.5, dude, yeah, you can use that on there with their first stage of KYC, but, yeah, dude, leverage is dangerous, man. Leverage is 30% move when you're wiped out on 3.5. 30% move might not be that bad, though. I believe it's swapping fees for gas fees on Uniswap and being front runner also. Slippage has been weird. $200. Oh, $200 on each transaction. I got hosed. It was worse at midnight. Figured it would be better in the morning. It was, but not by much. At midnight, it was $52. My goodness. Tony, what are you using? What coins you buying, man? And what are you using for slippage? Because I'm telling you, dude, it can get crazy if you go out there and you lose your transaction fee because your slippage is messed up and transaction doesn't go through, but you still get ripped $40. Yeah, that's a nightmare, man. Finally got to the point where I'm just using profits. Kombu, man, perfect. Let's see. What is this? Bybit has just received a $100 price target. How is that possible? They're at $225 right now. Julie, come on. I'm skeptical that they got a $100 price target. Who is that by? Oh, Bit Digital, not Bybit. Let's see. I don't know where you see the $100 price target at, but I would also question the same thing. How is that possible when they do nothing but lose money? So, I don't know. You got me. Where are we at? Pleb is another good one. Yeah, Pleb's another worm-looking guy, right? Hold on, let's go out and look at Pleb. I haven't looked at Pleb in a couple days. Might have been a week. Yeah, it's a little worm-looking dude. Up 5% today. $5 million market cap. $3 million being traded. People are loving. Look at this max supply. 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. These people are crazy, man. Pleb is another one that has been doing very well over the last couple of weeks and 10xing in value and maintaining some of these levels. It is volatile, so it could come back down from where it's at. But nonetheless, guys, that is another one of these memes. Whatever that little pleb thing is, looks like a little worm. That is another one. Frank, may the 4th be with you as well. Bro, you don't know the half of how crazy they get with the Star Wars Lego. Dude, I really don't. I really don't. I saw that little triangle ship, man. $1,249. And I understand that you've got like the Star Wars diehards, you got the Lego diehards, and then when you combine the two, you know, you've got something truly magical. But dude, it is like, come on. $1,200 for a Lego? Like, I feel like you should just go out for $1,200. You should buy materials to build the actual ship, not a Lego. You should, for $1,200, you should go out and experiment. If you're that good and, you know, that interested in building things, and you've got that type of money to throw on some Legos, you should just try and build the ship. Like, no joke. Who knows? MPW 850 cash secured puts for tomorrow looking interesting right now. New on renew on Monday and more premium or covered calls. Renew on Monday or more premium or covered calls on Monday and more premium. I'm telling you, Frank, dude, I think that MPW is probably going to bounce back a little bit and end above 850. But my concern is whether or not the banks bounce back. If you guys... Okay, you know that FRC's done, right? You guys know this. FRC died over the weekend. And FRC's that one that was trying to pay you for those $2 puts. They were paying 40% for those $2 puts. Over the weekend, they completely died out. And now they're trading down at 20 to 30 cents. Okay, FRC is done. This bank is done. Interest rates right now. The prime rate is 8.25% at the bank. Meaning, if you're borrowing money and you're 25 basis points under prime, you are paying 8% to the freaking bank. If you don't have as good a credit and you're paying over prime, you're paying nearly 10% to the stupid bank. Please. Hold on, I clicked the button. Please know that is insane. If MPW, and I don't know what their holdings are, if they are, heavily in debt, they are going to be facing a very difficult time with their real estate, with these increases in interest rates. Another one, guys, Western Alliance dying today. I got to see if it's still suspended. It might be done. All right, it's bouncing back somehow bouncing back to $20 right now. It was testing $11 earlier this morning, falling off a stinking cliff and then getting suspended and bouncing back up. So it's sitting right now at $20, but fell drastically to $11 per share. FHN? Yes. FHN dying, down 34% on the day. It was down much lower earlier. They were supposed to get acquired, and the bank that was going to acquire them backed out of the deal and said, no thank you. Now they are dying in price. They touched, I think, $6 yesterday. Okay, $6 pre-market. 666. Yeah, isn't it? That's death, if you ever asked me. 666 on the banking industry right now. I would be very skeptical if we get any more interest rate hikes, dude. We are going to be seeing times that are unprecedented, and I guess that's just what people live through, right? Unprecedented times. That's what we got. Mini Pepe is better. Or was it Kiki Pepe? I think it was Pepe Pepe. It could have been Pepe. That one, Pepe. BTBT, the next 100x crypto stock, bro. Dean. No. Why would it 100x, man? Just curious, right? Somebody came in here and said that there was a price target out there at $100. I did not see an analyst estimate for $100. I do not know why they would estimate it to go up to $100. Let me say this, okay? BTBT will go to $100 per share when Bitcoin goes to $250,000. If Bitcoin goes to $250,000, sure. I think that the crypto stocks are absolutely going to rock. But it's not going to rock if we don't get some gains in the crypto space. Good morning from Cali, broski. Watching you on the TV while commenting on the phone. Anyways, any thoughts on Baby Pepe? Andre, let's look at Baby Pepe in a second here. I don't have any thoughts on it yet because I haven't seen it. I'm just buying a bunch of meme coins. Caesar, it'll probably pay off, man. You know, if you get into profit mode and you at least protect some profits, it's gonna pay off. But right now, with the run that we've got going, it does seem like a decent way to go. My dad owns hundreds of Lego sets worth tens. Roulette wheel. I mean, don't take this the wrong way. Why though? I mean, does he collect them? Does he just love putting them together? Because what I saw, dude, $1,200 for that Lego Star Wars thing was insane. So, is it because he loves the Lego? Does he love the putting them together? Does it remind him of his childhood or something? Because I honestly believe, dude, if you're dropping $1,200 on one Lego set, and you're not some like diehard, your house is made of Legos collector, dude, you should probably just try building the actual spaceship. I've not seen Blaze, DD. I have not seen it. Bitcoin stocks will replace bank stocks. Dean, if Bitcoin replaces banks, yes, that is a possibility. But here's my thoughts, dude. If the banks die, the government's going to make sure that they kill. I really think that they might be trying to kill the banks, but they're definitely going to kill Bitcoin here in the U.S. if they kill the banks. That Lego Superstar Destroyer is over 4 feet long and 3,000 pieces. Okay, so it is very large. 4 feet long Lego is very large. I don't know if it necessarily justifies. 3,000 pieces is a lot. I don't know if it justifies the $1,200 price point. But dude, 4 feet long, you could build like a little personal spaceship for 4 feet long, dude. Go to the store, get some metal, buy a welder. Like, you could even buy all the tools needed to weld that spaceship together. Read the last. Brother Wingro, I got you, man. Going up. Clay, you have Co-America and PNC banks in Ohio. And could these big regional banks fail? I don't think that we have Co-America. Yes, we've got PNC banks. Yes, listen. No, there is no bank that is not at risk of failure, okay? Worst case scenario, here's what I see happening, all right? You've got all of these little regional banks. All of these little regional banks die out. The Federal Reserve knows, and the government knows, that if they keep raising interest rates, the banks are going to be at risk of failure. That is the reason that they are dying right now, is that the interest rates are going up. So, yeah, let's kill Comerica. Let's kill PNC. Let's kill Huntington. Let's kill Citizens. Let's kill, you name the bank. I don't care. KeyBank. You kill all of them out, right? Kill all these little banks. The FDIC takes over and either sells them to JP Morgan or these larger banks, okay? Bank of America sells them to the larger banks. What we end up with is a banking monopoly, or if they don't go that route, because I think that they could go that route, get a banking monopoly going, and then either take over just the large banks and everything is state-owned, government-owned, or we could go out there, raise interest rates to 15%, shock the market, kill all the banks, the FDIC takes over, and the government owns every single bank, and the government owns all of your money at that point. It's a good strategy. I would take it if I was trying to go for 100% ownership. If I was going for government ownership, that's a strategy that I would take. Here's what I would do to convince you that it's the only path forward. Well, these banks failed you. Private ownership, the greed of these corporations took your money from you. Millionaires were brought back down to $250,000, the insurance that was covered. Billionaires brought back down. Oh, what is that? We are resetting the wealth in America with a $250,000 cap on the wealth that you can have. It would be very simple for the government to go in, raise interest rates slowly and steadily like they're doing, get a nice little shock, kill all of the banks, reset the wealth in America back down to a $250,000 cap, and then all of a sudden, 1, we've got a nice great reset. 2, we've got 100% banks owned by the government, 100%, I don't want to say the word communist control, but what else would it be? It's a strategy that I would consider, deploying if I wanted to take over the world, but that's what these guys might be doing right now. Coming back down, guys, got to catch up on the chat. Some people think Bitcoin is going to 1 million. Ape love ape. Yeah, some people do think Bitcoin's going to go to 1 million. Bitcoin's only going to go to 1 million, man, if it's able to be embraced. I think that the U.S. is going to try and kill it. Reach 1 million, but the price of eggs will be $300,000. Roulette wheel. That happens, and I bet that happens if we get hyperinflation, right? If hyperinflation comes in, dude, and the dollar spirals out of control, you are right. Bitcoin could easily go up 100x in value and reach $1 million, $2 million, but everything else will as well. A carton of eggs might not be $300,000, but a carton of eggs would absolutely be $200, $300, $400 a carton. You go out, man, you want a hot dog, you want a hamburger from McDonald's, you're going out there, what would normally cost you $1, all of a sudden, $150. When a hamburger from McDonald's, $150, dude. And here's the sad part. You're still probably going to be making $15 an hour, and they're not going to be paying you any more. That is going to be the destruction of hyperinflation if it takes place. So the dollar will be worthless if that comes out. Hey, bro, check this out. POV, original Pepe on the Binance Smart Chain, and token security is good. POV. Is that the ticker? Pepe original version. Gotcha. Pepe original version. Interesting. It does not follow Pepe's price action. So that is interesting. It's sitting on a $5 million market cap right now. And it has only been out for about a day. It is showing some volatility. Dang, man. Nearly 10xing, though. This volatility is nuts. Yeah, you know what, Dark Bro? If it comes back down and taps these levels, dude, I might, because I got some BNB sitting there. I might play around with this bad boy. It's only been out for a day, though, guys. Okay? And it's on its way back down right now. But if it reaches these levels down here, look. If it reaches these levels, can you guys see it? I think you guys can see it. If it reaches these levels down here at 1,000, 100 points per coin, whatever it is, and it jumps back up just to these levels, oh, that's a double. You double your money. You double your money right there. So, yeah, the volatility is in, dude. You could easily double your money if that volatility stays in there. Fascism 101, man. You got to follow the rule book, Wayne Grow. We need some ownership here. We can do it. They can kill Wells Fargo. Their maintenance fees are ridiculous. Oh, the sad part is, Pika, they probably will. They probably will kill him. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man. Listen, are we going to go back to the barter system? I don't have much to offer if we're going back to the barter system, dude. Oh, God. I can't grow any plants to trade plants for people. What am I going to do? What am I going to do if we go back to the barter system? The dollar's destroyed. Now we've got to barter again. Oh, Pika, you got me worried. Hey, bro, dropping some for BP. I updated the numbers on my dollars to 100 spreadsheet. Total cost came down by about 9,000. Dang. Frank, dude, not only is your portfolio paying you nearly $100 a month in dividends right now, it is becoming more efficient as time goes on. Dude, that's a very nice actively managed portfolio, Frank. That is a very nice actively managed portfolio. I gotta admit. Good question, Caesar. What did Caesar say? If my bank dies, what happens to my mortgage? Oh, your mortgage will still be there. So if your bank probably doesn't even own your mortgage right now. Let's go over that real quick. So your bank probably does not own your mortgage at the moment. You should look at the fine print on who actually owns your mortgage. But what happens with a mortgage almost as soon as it is created, it's split up, chopped up, and sold off. That's what was happening in 2008. That's what still happens today, is that they receive, like, they, have the mortgage on your house or whatever, and then to mitigate their risk, they immediately sell that mortgage off to an insurance company, to a larger bank, and so on. So that bank probably takes your mortgage and sells it to somebody else. The problem that occurred in 2008 is that these loan originators did not care what type of money you made. They did not care what type of condition your home was in, and so on. So they were writing really risky loans. They'd get chopped up, sold to one bank, chopped up, sold to another bank. Nobody even knew who owned the mortgages in 2008. It was an absolute nightmare. It was a mess. So your bank right now probably doesn't own your mortgage. You probably just pay your bank for your mortgage. They've probably already been paid and bought out your mortgage to begin with. But nonetheless, dude, your mortgage will still be there. The FDIC is going to take over. The FDIC is going to, take care of all your deposits. And then the FDIC is going to sell off all of that bank's assets to a bigger bank. Now, let's just say, I don't know what bank you got. Let's say you do have Wells Fargo, since Pika wants to kill Wells Fargo. Let's say that you have Wells Fargo and Wells Fargo dies. Your mortgage then would be considered an asset on Wells Fargo's balance sheet. The FDIC takes over. They cover all of the deposits up to $250,000, and then they say, okay, JP Morgan, do you want this bank's assets? Wells Fargo might have, I don't know, I'm just spitting numbers here, $200 billion in assets. JP Morgan comes and buys $200 billion worth of assets for $20 billion. So now you're paying JP Morgan or whoever the heck else is theoretically the owner of your mortgage at that point. If the banks get wiped, how do we send super chats for Clay to act out? Dude, it's going to have to just be in like chats, and then I'm just going to have to act them out normally. Forget about the banks at that point, man. It's going to be barter. I'm going to have to send in a super chat, and you guys are just going to have to put like clapping emojis in the in the chat or something. Nothing's going to have monetary value at that point. It's all going to be for applause and satisfaction. It won't be for super chats anymore. It'll just be for the applause and emotional enjoyment of everybody that's out there. Bearded Dad Beard Company, I do not have any Pepe, man. I wanted to get in on Pepe. My problem is, dude, I wait for dips, and when I wait for a dip, the dip never comes, man. I started talking about Pepe at a 100. It was like 100. It was like 90 to 110 million dollars in market cap when I first started talking about it, and literally, it's like 4 days old. Right? And when you see something rip from $100,000 market cap to $100 million market cap in 4 or 5 days, you're skeptical. You want to see a pullback, and you want to take it a little bit more conservative. Unfortunately, my conservatism, my conservation, I don't even know what you would say. My conservation prohibited me from getting in, and unfortunately missing out on another 7x run. So, no, I'm not in Pepe right now. I might buy some Pepe just to take, I don't know, take the ride with everybody else that's in it right now, because it's way too exciting. We write 1,000 letters, Pika. Then he can go live and act them all out. I like it, Dark Bro. I like it. Once it starts going down, run as fast as you can. Yeah, roulette wheel, man. I agree. I don't know if you're talking about Pepe or the banks, but either way, I agree. This stuff right now, dude, it's not something that I would be willing to sink with the ship on. Some stuff I would sink with the ship on, but not banks and not Pepe. Huge trail of military vehicles heading down Interstate 5 to Mexico border. Interesting combo. Finally starting to secure that bad boy or what? I'll pay you in gum. 5-layer gum. And oh, gosh. I do remember those commercials, man. I remember those commercials. It might come down to that. We might be, I don't know, exchanging goods and services, but our goods are gum instead of money. You can barter your turkey noise. I don't know who the heck would want that for anything, but that's about all I got, roulette wheel. Any suggestions on where to buy low market cap meme coins? Yes. Lith 88 euro. Depending on which one you want to buy, Uniswap, and if you're looking for a decentralized exchange, Uniswap and PancakeSwap. You can download a MetaMask or a Trust wallet, and you can use Uniswap or PancakeSwap to buy very low market meme coins. Dex Tools is a place that you can use to find these very low market cap meme coins. But please know that I would say 95%, if not 99%. Let's put it this way. 90% of the coins that you're going to see on Dex Tools are rugged within the first day. So, and I can go through and show you that. So just be careful with what you're buying if you're looking for those tiny little meme coins. I missed one. Pancake Burrito. Thank you very much for the super chat. Reserve super chat for post bank wipe. Oh, man. Well, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the post-bank wipe. And thank you very much for setting me up for a future of bleak destruction. Will cash even be worth anything if the banks go down, guys? That's the question I have. Is cash even going to be worth anything if the banks go down? Because I thought we were done with this like 2 months ago, man. I thought all the bank scares were over. Biden stepped up, Janet Yellen stepped up, Jerome Powell stepped up. Everybody said, don't you worry, don't you worry. The banking system is fine. There's no problems. Crypto caused some problems, but now there's no problems. Well, FRC just died, FHN is dying, Western Alliance is dying, all the other regional banks are dying at the moment, so who's the liar in that situation? Clay has a special set of skills. I do, man. I am very close to Liam Neeson. In Taken. Of course, we got a very special skill set. His were much different than mine, but a special skill set nonetheless. Be looking for the weekend it to hit $1 billion. It'll be a huge sell-off for a day or two, and then you will see it surge again. Not too late to get in. Yeah, I actually don't think it's too late to get in either, man. I do, however, think that it's risky. You know, you just got to be willing to take a risk. Manage long-term retirement portfolio pretty good. Still, we're going to get better balance. 5 out of 15 positions make up about 16 or 66% of the total value, but it keeps getting better. Yeah, and there's nothing wrong. Frank, you can be, too dilutive, too. And you can have 1 million positions in your portfolio and, not be able to take advantage of the gains, too. So you can dilute too far. Clay, should I stick my cash in Robinhood? It's paying 4.5%. Waingro. Here's the thing. So that is... Robinhood's paying 4.5%. Webull is paying 4 point something. Webull's actually paying 5.8% if you recommend somebody. So if you get somebody to sign up, they pay you 5.8%. But, 4.5%, dude. You're going to get that if you open up a CD at the bank or if you put some money in they want new customers. So if you change banks, and you open up a money market account, they're going to be giving you about 4.5% as well. So why not? Why not? You don't necessarily have to do it in Webull, though, okay? You can do it if you feel more comfortable in your bank. Your bank should have opportunities for you to earn about 4 to 5% right now. That number should actually increase because interest rates went up yesterday. They are taking your money at 4%, and they are loaning it out at 8.25% is the prime rate. So at 8.25%, they are loaning it out. They can easily afford to pay you 4.5% on your money right now. Work made me super late. Forget work. Do it, J-Bones. Do it. Forget work. Where we at? No problem, bro. Heck yeah. Them burritos late. Friend work. Friend always work. Yes. Friends, you know what? If you do have friends at work, it is always better. I'm telling you that right now. How is it 1 o'clock? Oh, my goodness. 1 o'clock already. I do want to say thank you to everybody for being in here. Absolutely appreciate you guys. Keeping the chat going, keeping it awesome. Man, I feel like I got a bruise on my finger here. Keeping it awesome, loving it. J-Bones in, We out, man. Get your names in the chat right now. We'll do some shout outs. We're going to be back this afternoon. Appreciate all you guys, man. When altcoin season. Aiden, meme coin season right now. Possibly altcoin season afterwards. Frank, man, shout out to you. Pika Power. Enjoy your day. Hey, guys, as you're leaving, I don't know if anybody followed the Twitch channel. If you guys do have a Twitch account, please follow me over there. We're multi-streaming right now, so the link is at the top. Pika Power's got it pinned up there. I would appreciate you guys following. I'll follow you back on Twitch too. I don't really watch Twitch, so if I follow you back, don't expect me to watch you or anything. But if you guys do follow on Twitch, I'll hook you up over there and follow back. Shout out time. Dark Bro, man. See ya later. Mr. Brian, Dark Bro, J Bones, baby. Mr. Brian Wangro. See ya later. Dark Bro, Kombu, Pika Power, Dark Bro, Pika Power, Dark Bro Sam. Peace out of the weightlifting unicorns. Peace out of the diamond-handed chickens. Dark Bro following over there. Dark Bro, say something in the chat real quick so I can follow you over there. Diamond-handed chicks, baby. Kombu, see you later. Frank, see ya. Aiden, enjoy it. Kombu, Mr. Brian, the franchise, old rounder, bro. Roulette wheel, Kombu, Mr. Brian, Tony D, Mr. Brian, Pika Power with the pancake burritos. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.